Hello friends, and welcome to this video as we look at functions in Excel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the COUNTIF function. My name is Mercy Consolata Kello. Let's get started. The COUNTIF function in Excel allows you to count the number of cells in any given range that meet a given condition. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. So first, we want to look at all passengers who have an age greater than 49. So in a cell, just press equals COUNTIF. And then we're interested in the age as our range. Then the criteria, we're looking at all those that are greater than 49. So greater than 49, press enter. So you have that. For our second example, let's look at all those passengers that are male. So we have COUNTIF, come over to sex, comma, then the criteria being male. Then we close the brackets, press enter. So we have 13 male passengers. COUNTIF also allows you to use wildcard characters. So say we're interested in looking at all passengers that are female. What you're going to do is follow the same procedures, COUNTIF, then provide the range, comma, and then you're specifying female, so FA followed by question mark, and the number of this question mark has to be compatible with the length of the word female. So quotes, and then we close the brackets, press enter. So we have a total of 10 female passengers. Lastly, we can say we are interested in all those cells, in counting the number of cells that contain some form of text. So use COUNTIF, provide the range. So I'm going to pass in the entire data table here, in comma, and then now for our criteria, we're going to use a wildcard character, that, an asterisk, double quotes, close the brackets, press enter. So it has given us 111 values that contain text. So that has been it for this video. If you have enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.